Okay, I'm back. I got my stuff. I got my transmission fluid and my assembly lube. I use assembly goo, blue stuff. I don't know if it's any good or not. But anyway, as I reach into my Precision International gasket overhaul kit, let me look for the rings that looks just like that one. I'm not going to cut it wide open. I'm just going to cut the tip of it off. The tip of this, guys. All right. These are flat. See how that's flat? I don't know, can you see that? Yes, you can. I can't see it. See how that's flat? So I'll reach it here, see if I can find me a flat one. There's a flat one right there. Looks pretty big. Take that one out. I like my gloves. These are some good gloves. They're 8mm gloves. Link in the description below. I guess y'all wondering why you keep saying link in the description below. Because I recommend it to you, and I think I should get a little commission for it. Look at that, guys. That thing is worn there. See how it's stretched? Stretched out. Yeah. So that's the first one. Doesn't look as thick though. Yes, it does. It's just as thick. I don't know if you can see. Let me see. Can I put something in front of that? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, that looks about right. All right, let me see here. So he says to take this, put a little juice on it. Put a little juice around it is what he said. Now he put some grease around here, I think. Put a little grease around it. That's a lot of grease. You don't want that much grease, I don't think. I'm just gonna put a little grease around it. Let's see, did he do the... He did this, I think. He just took it and did that. And then he put it on. And just gonna put it in the thing like this. Hey! Put in the thing like this. Go up on it. See what happens. He made it seem so easy when he did it. Now, I didn't introduce the guy in this video, but you guys know that I'm following that dude. I'm really bad with names. Looks like that's on there pretty good. That's on there pretty good. And hey, you look nice. Can you close the door there? Go on in. It's the what do you call it? The music in the background. You know, they're gonna act a fool and they're gonna turn it off or whatever. You know. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
All right, but you look nice and cutie pie. I'm just showing them how to put this. Well, I ain't showing them how to do it. I'm just showing them that I'm doing it. can't show them how to do anything because everybody know how to do it already. What room are y'all talking about? Heard y'all in there jamming.
Put that bottle on your recording.
No. Ain't nobody hear it. If they did, so be it. Hell, I'm not monetized anyway. I depend. Hmm?
I had to sing loud.
Oh yeah, knock yourself out. I didn't hear you singing. These got. No, I didn't hear you singing. This is another one. Let's see here. See that one? That one's brand new. This one's, the other one is. So as you can see, that don't look right. This was worn out. We can put this on too. Put a little grease on it. I ain't doing nothing but just doing this little video here. Putting this, what do you call this thing? Low reverse piston on. It took me most of the time to find my tools. And he took a little grease. You want some? What them hoodlums doing outside there?
I have no idea. Didn't hear him until just now. No idea.
Oh boy. Put a little grease on that. I forgot to put the grease on the thing. That's alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Now, y'all can see these big ones must be for that 4L80E or something. Because there's the big ones right there. You know, I should sell these. You might want to buy these. You might need them. Put them online. How much should I sell them for? $10? Hell no. Whole kit itself didn't cost for $40-something. I better leave those. I might need them for later, for something. And then I got that little bitty one. These, I don't know, did I show y'all these? See how you got this cup on it? I don't know if you can see that cup or not. Got like a little ridge in it or something. Of course, I'm going to put that back in the bag after I find the one I'm looking for. Damn, boy, I hate looking for stuff. That's just how it is. It's got to be done. Well, I know it ain't that one. Nope, not that one. This one. This is the one. I would say that's the one. Yep. Then knocked all the grease off my hand. Just the old one. Put it back in the dump. Put your little grease on there. And now this one goes on the inside. I was playing your Cyndi Lauper song. Okay, now. Girls just want to have fun. Then he took some of this here. Let me get me a pan because I don't want to make too much of a mess. I got a pan somewhere. This will be good enough. This is supposed to be. So I put one of these down. Then he put a little bit around the edges of them. He just dabbed it a little. That's all he did. Went all the way around it. Because I'm getting ready to put it back inside. I'm starting to put them back together now. And then he did this one. I hear them hoodlums out there. Kids having fun. I used to be a kid. I remember when the old people didn't want us to come around them. Get away from around here! All y'all kids go home somewhere. Sometimes we get the other kids in trouble because they don't y'all bring no kids in this yard either. Don't you bring any kids in this yard. They wouldn't want us in here. Can we come in your yard? It's crazy. It was crazy. Alright, so I'm getting ready. That's done, guys. So what I'm gonna do next on the next video is I'm gonna put this inside of the bucket over there. It's sitting behind me. And I guess I'll talk to you guys in a minute.